My name is Alyssa, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist here at Central Ohio Primary Care. Family meals are an often overlooked area of health and wellness for your developing child. We get it. Busy families are often bouncing between work, school, and extracurricular activities. Taking the time to eat a meal together is slowly becoming less and less of a priority. Research shows that family meals can support a child socially, emotionally, and academically. It gives everyone a time to sit down and talk about their day and be role models for one another. Can you think back to your childhood family meals? Maybe your dad told a funny joke, or your mom helped you with a problem at school. These strong nostalgic memories are so important, and we advocate that this be continued to our children. To make family meals a little bit easier, here are a few suggestions. Start by making a meal plan. First, write in your time conflicts. It looks like Grandma's coming for lunch. Then you can add in your dinner ideas on the days you know you can prepare them. Adding in your leftovers too is another way to be less wasteful. This makes you ask what's for dinner once a week instead of every night. Another idea is to ask the whole family what they want to eat this week. Getting their input and buy-in is very important to make family meals pleasurable for everyone. Even having your family look through a recipe book and see if there's a new meal they want to try. This way you can get some helping hands in the kitchen for the recipe they picked out. Last suggestion is to prep as much as you can. Once you get home from the grocery store, cut up those vegetables, because seeing that celery stalk in the bag is a lot less appealing than seeing it cut up and ready to eat. Research shows that the more easy and convenient you make your meal, the more likely you are to eat it. Remember, family meals are a very important area for your child's development. Talk with your family to see what ways you can make eating a meal together a priority.